Have you ever wondered how cleanliness and hygiene impact your health and well-being? Let's dive into this topic. Picture this. Your home is your castle, a sanctuary where you feel safe and protected. But what if I told you that your castle could be harboring unseen invaders? I'm talking about germs and bacteria, invisible to the naked eye but capable of causing a range of health issues. Cleanliness and hygiene play a pivotal role in keeping these unwelcome guests at bay. They form the first line of defense against the spread of many illnesses and infections. When we maintain a clean environment, we significantly reduce the presence of harmful microbes, thereby lowering the risk of disease transmission. Consider the current health scenario. With the world grappling with pandemics and epidemics, cleanliness and hygiene have taken center stage. They are not just about personal health anymore. They are crucial for community health. By practicing good hygiene, we not only protect ourselves, but also contribute to the well-being of those around us. But it's not just about disease prevention. Cleanliness and hygiene also contribute to our overall health in ways you might not have considered. A clean environment is conducive to physical wellness, yes, but it also has a positive impact on our mental health. Living and working in a clean, organized space can reduce stress and enhance productivity. What's more, cleanliness cultivates a sense of self-discipline and responsibility. It encourages us to take care of our surroundings and, by extension, our health. We become more mindful of our habits, more conscious of our actions, and more proactive in maintaining our well-being. So you see, cleanliness and hygiene are not just routine practices to keep up appearances. They are integral to our health, our community, and our sense of self. They are the pillars on which we build a healthy, happy life. Understanding the importance of cleanliness and hygiene sets the foundation for our discussion on cleaning, disinfecting, and sanitizing. Cleaning might seem simple, but it involves more than just removing visible dirt. So let's dive into the process of cleaning. It's a multi-step procedure that goes beyond the mere aesthetics of a tidy space. Undeniably, a clean environment is pleasing to the eyes, but more importantly, it's about maintaining health and wellness by getting rid of germs, dirt, and impurities from surfaces that we come in contact with daily. Think about it. Each time we touch a surface, we're potentially coming into contact with millions, if not billions, of microscopic entities. Some of these may be harmless, but others could potentially cause illness. Therefore, the act of cleaning is vital in keeping these potential hazards at bay. The process of cleaning typically involves using soap or detergent and water. Soap works by breaking down oil and dirt into smaller, more manageable particles. These particles are then lifted from the surface and suspended in the water. When you rinse, these suspended particles, along with the germs they harbor, are washed away. Now let's talk about the physical action of cleaning. Scrubbing, rubbing, or mopping creates friction, which helps lift dirt, grime, and germs from surfaces. So, the elbow grease you put into scrubbing your kitchen counter or mopping your floors isn't in vain. It's a crucial part of the cleaning process. However, it's important to remember that while cleaning removes germs, it doesn't necessarily kill them. The act of cleaning reduces their numbers and the risk of spreading infection, but doesn't annihilate them completely. That's where disinfecting and sanitizing come into play, but we'll get into that later. For now, let's focus on the first step of maintaining a healthy environment: cleaning. It's a process that requires both the right materials, soap and water, and the right actions: scrubbing, rubbing, or mopping. Remember, cleaning alone doesn't kill germs, but it certainly helps in reducing their numbers. And reducing numbers is a key step in keeping our spaces healthier and safer for everyone. So, the next time you pick up that mop or scrub brush, know that you're doing more than just making a space look good. You're taking an active role in maintaining health and wellness. If cleaning is about reducing germs, disinfecting is about annihilating them. This is where our germ assassin comes into play, and it's a role that can't be understated. Disinfecting is a process that goes beyond mere cleaning. It's a targeted strike against germs that lurk on surfaces, waiting for an opportunity to cause harm. Disinfection is a chemical process, a strategic assault that uses specially designed substances to kill germs on surfaces. And it's not just about any chemicals. These are potent germ-destroying agents. They wage a ruthless war against bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms, leaving no survivors. It's a battlefield, and the disinfectants are the heroes, ensuring the safety of our spaces. There is a wide variety of disinfectants available in the market. Each of these has a specific purpose and strength. For instance, There are broad-spectrum disinfectants, which take a one-size-fits-all approach, combating a wide range of germs. Then there are targeted disinfectants, designed to eliminate specific types of germs. Using disinfectants correctly is critical. It isn't about just spraying or wiping them on a surface. Most disinfectants need to remain wet on the surface for a specific period known as dwell time to effectively kill germs. It's a bit like baking. You can't rush it. You need to give it the right amount of time to get the desired results. Remember, though, that disinfecting isn't a replacement for cleaning. It's a complementary process. Disinfectants might not clean the dirt and grime off surfaces, but they do ensure the surface is free from harmful germs. It's a one-two punch. Cleaning eliminates visible dirt, while disinfecting takes care of the unseen enemies. In the battle against germs, disinfecting is our secret weapon. It's an essential part of maintaining a healthy environment, whether at home, in schools, or workplaces. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about health, safety, and peace of mind. Disinfecting doesn't necessarily clean dirty surfaces, but it does kill germs, reducing the risk of infection. So, let's salute the germ assassin, our unsung hero in the ongoing war against germs. Sanitizing strikes a balance between cleaning and disinfecting. This is the sweet spot where we aim to land in our quest for a healthier environment. The process of sanitizing may seem complex, but in reality, it's a simple yet effective combination of cleaning and disinfecting. Sanitizing is like a one-two punch against germs. First, cleaning physically removes dirt, grime, and some germs from surfaces. It's like the initial sweep that clears the battlefield. But cleaning alone doesn't kill all germs. That's where the second punch comes in. Disinfecting. Disinfecting doesn't necessarily clean dirty surfaces or remove germs, but it kills germs on a surface after cleaning, further lowering the risk of spreading infection. Now, you might be wondering, when and where is sanitizing most effective? Well, think of places where there's a high risk of disease transmission. These are places where lots of people touch the same surfaces. Door handles, light switches, kitchen counters, bathroom surfaces, and even your personal devices like phones and laptops. These are all prime candidates for sanitizing. But don't forget, sanitizing also plays a crucial role in areas where people may be more vulnerable to infections. Think about childcare facilities, hospitals, or elder care homes. Here, a higher level of cleanliness is required to protect those who might not have the strongest immune system. It's also worth noting that sanitizing is not a one-time thing. It's a regular part of maintaining a healthy environment. Just like you wouldn't clean your house once and never do it again, you can't sanitize once and expect it to last forever. Regular and consistent sanitizing can help keep germs at bay and reduce the risk of spreading infections. In conclusion, the magic of sanitizing lies in its blend of cleaning and disinfecting. It's a powerful weapon in our arsenal against the invisible enemies that are germs and viruses. Sanitizing effectively reduces the risk of spreading infections, making it a key component in maintaining a healthy environment. Let's recap the key points we've discussed today. We've delved into the importance of cleanliness and hygiene, the distinct differences between cleaning, disinfecting, and sanitizing, and the appropriate situations to employ each method. Firstly, we've shown a spotlight on cleanliness and hygiene. These are more than just aesthetic concerns. They form the first line of defense against harmful microbes and diseases. Regular cleaning, which involves physically removing dirt, grime, and most germs, can significantly reduce the risk of illness. But remember, cleaning alone doesn't kill germs. It simply reduces their numbers, and thus, the risk of spreading infection. Next, we examine the difference between disinfecting and sanitizing. Disinfection is the process of killing germs on surfaces or objects. This doesn't necessarily mean that all dirt and grime are removed, but by killing germs, it can further lower the risk of spreading infection. Sanitizing, on the other hand, is a bit of a middle ground. It reduces the number of germs on surfaces or objects to a safe level, as considered by public health standards or requirements. This process can be achieved through either cleaning, disinfecting, or both. So when should you clean, disinfect, or sanitize? Cleaning should be a daily habit. Disinfecting is essential when you want to kill the germs on a surface, especially during flu season or in the midst of a pandemic. And sanitizing is crucial in places where hygiene is paramount, like kitchens and bathrooms. These processes are more than just chores. They are integral to preventing disease and maintaining health. They contribute to a healthier environment, not just for you, but for everyone around you. With these steps in mind, you're well equipped to create a cleaner, safer environment. Remember, Cleanliness isn't just about appearances, it's a crucial part of our health and well-being.